I had to put up some food bomb instead.
Should I go that way?
What are y'all doing?
They're exploring.
You can't get that far.
Nah. They're doing good.
Yeah, I'm glad you can just do it.
Yep. That's the difference. Moms can't do that. Yeah, moms can't just let them go. Dad's like, yeah, go ahead. You go with them. You'll be all right.
I can actually see that.
The what?
Oh, then I'm by myself.
Oh.
So if I had to fart, should I just go over there and fart?
No, you should wait.
Just stay and mind your business, or you can go explore if you want.
I'm actually not.
If you're gonna do it over there, because I'm not over there.
Right.
I said, should I do it over here where they're coming out of it? There's one of them. Oh, that's Sawyer. Where's the others at?
All right, 50. Start heading back out here. This ain't good. Ronan's saying, "Oh my pants." I think it's getting worse. He's gonna have shorts by the time he gets shorts.
This
What are
would
the
definitely
chances
talk.
that he forgot to
Yeah, it got a little dirty.
pack a change of pants?
No, like,
1,000%.
push. It's supposed to be like that, and it's like that. It's done.
I thought
You're
he
customizing it.
I thought he might have grown out of some stuff.
He's getting better, but he is still Ronan.
Look at all this.
Yeah.
I didn't think I'd actually get
Which
this
is
dirty.
okay with me because he doesn't.
It's super dirty. Yeah. Sorry, it looked like you shit yourself.
Oh my god!
Well,
I'm coming
get
out!
That's another
I'm
5.
not sure that he understands
I'm so bad running stuff.
why stuff
You want
doesn't
this to be
happen.
helpful?
Wait, running stuff.
He doesn't.
Is
realize
Ronan
he
stuck?
brings it on
Nah.
himself.
But he's too fat. I mean, he might get stuck.
Just,
Let's go.
No.
Dude, we don't go
situational
back
awareness
anymore.
is not,
You're not?
it's like not even in the ballpark.
Yep.
Right, I'm
That
gonna
hole
throw
that
a
you
fart
went
bomb in
into,
there if you don't hurry up.
Stuck in there, and he's like, oh,
What's that gonna do?
Ronan, why are you so fat? Stupid.
Make him up, kick his guts down and get out of there.
It wasn't me. It was him.
Did you go through that hole?
Wait, who was that?
Okay.
Who was
I had
that?
in there, I was like,
Who was that just popped his head
Down
out?
at the bottom, it was tight, but if you were up, hold your hips.
Oh, hey, Cam.
Bigger up there.
yeah.
I'm doing it.
I was having,
All right, 50. Let's go.
yeah,
Ronan,
I was seeing it.
Work. Yeah, Ronan, you don't want to come back that way.
Ronan, go back the way you came.
Ronan, are you stuck?
I'm not doing it, then-
Oh,
Ronan, it's
then
too
he's
tight.
up
Go
in
back.
there.
Go back. It's
Then
too
that
tight
gets
for
pulled out of
you.
there.
Cameron.
Let him take a look at it.
Once he got through,
No,
he had to
no,
climb
no,
up
no,
onto
no,
this
my
ledge.
God.
you're too tight. You're stuck there
He didn't
forever.
want help.
Oh,
Like, dude, your
He's
legs
coming
will not
out.
reach.
Oh my
There's
God.
no way you can do it without help.
We're gonna see Ronan's dead body come out of
Can
here.
I hop in there and see if Ronan's actually Ronan's good or not?
What?
Someone might have to go pull running out.
Ronan's dead body. We're gonna have to drag his dead body out.
Wait a
I
minute.
can
Does that
guarantee
mean
that.
someone left Ronan by himself?
No, we were all going through, but he's.
No, wait. Who was with Ronan?
Ronan.
We were together. We were
Yeah, we were all
Wait,
together.
okay.
Hang on. Nobody talk.
We could
except
not-
for, no one talk except Ronan's buddy.
I was with Cameron.
Now we have a problem. Cameron, you're the buddy. Get back here and make sure he's okay.
I'm not gonna crawl
Get
through
back
the-
there.
No,
Go back to the
he's-
hole. Get back to the hole and make sure he's okay.
No, he's coming out the other
Wait a
side.
minute. You started with no. That's wrong. Go back to the hole and make sure he's good.
You gotta take care of your buddy.
Yeah.
But he said that he was gonna come out of there.
Give
I
me,
pushed out.
give me.
Check on him.
You go to the
Can I
hole.
go up
I'm
there?
at this hole. You go to that hole over there where everybody else is coming out of.
Alright.
Just take a look up there.
Make sure he's good either way.
Talk to him.
Ron, you good?
Hey, EJ.
Running, guys.
Where you at?
EJ.
Are you in there?
Yeet his nuts.
Derek Green.
I'm not supposed to tell you.
You're in a
Oh,
hole.
twice.
He said he's in a hole.
Stop.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, start.
Cameron, all of this is whole.
I'm gonna go check on him.
No, we're not at all.
I see his light flashing once in a while.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
He's going, whoa.
All
Yeah,
right, let's
he took
go,
some
Ronan
magic-
Damien.
Took some magic pills. Alright, what do we do?
Incline.
Did you find magic mushrooms in there? Why are you going, whoa?
Magic mushrooms.
He's talking things about Super
He
Mario.
appears to be on the move here.
Yeah, if you can see a light going up and down, that's me.
It's actually going left or right.
Wop wop.
Then that's not me, Sawyer. What do you mean?
All right, today, Brenda.
Come on.
Brenda is my friend from school.
Get out of your way.
Oh my god.
I am not Steve.
I am the one.
Well, I wonder if I'm gonna be clean.
No, you're not.
I don't think so.
Your wiener.
I'm Mr. Cameron's dad.
Me, Josh.
Hi, Mr. King.
Hey, there's a face up here.
What?
Like right here in front of me is a face, and I just saw
Oh my god, that's
it. Right here.
Is there a
See
mirror?
It's watching.
What?
Wait a
Is
minute.
it a mirror?
it? No!
It's a face made out of clay.
Here, Harry, hand me your
Come on, bud,
phone.
we're waiting on you, bud.
Yeah.
I need a phone to take a picture of this.
Henry.
Harry,
Henry?
Harry, can I borrow your phone? I need to take a picture of
Harry,
this.
I forgot your name. I'm
actually
used to
on
calling you
brand.
Mr. Oatmeal.
Can I borrow your phone, Harry?
Because of your oatmeal. Because of your.
Harry, I need to take a picture of
I
this.
got it.
Right here, on my finger.
Sawyer.
You see it? You
Yeah.
see? I just saw this out
My
here.
friend's never gonna feel the same after this.
That's pretty good. That's pretty funny.
Let me see that.
It's so funny looking.
Let me see it.
It's so derpy, but it's so funny.
Let me see it.
You guys don't get far.
We know.
It's so derpy, but it's
Yo,
so
that's
funny.
crazy. Down.
Roman. Get
Roman,
your butt out of here.
what?
He's coming.
You got running?
Give me a moment here.
Hey, Cam. For future reference, just so you know moving forward, if you're ever gonna say something to me and it starts with no, say something else.
Ow, my leg.
Rethink it and start something.
Yes, that's a good idea.
I keep hitting my head and my leg turns off.
Bro, why are you red?
All
Make
right.
sure you're not just closing your eyes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, see, look at that.
It's brighter now. Every time you hit it, it
Don't
gets
do
brighter.
that.
You're like Fonzie. Do you know who Fonzie is?
No.
I see him. He's got like an Elvis haircut and a leather jacket.
Your parents are failures.
Dad, are you a failure?
Hey, is everybody here? Mr. Allen, can we do the lights off for a second?
Sure.
How dark do you think it is in here?
You can't see your fingers around your face.
Everybody, lights off.
My light is up. My lights are off.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
Shit.
If your lights are lit, your lights
Come on.
It's
not
on.
big.
Searching for this.
Yeah, you can't see your two fingers.
Mr. Allen's. Oh.
Oh!
Turn it off.
No, no,
I can
no.
see one.
See anything?
I can see the flashing from Mr. Allen's hat. Like,
All right.
Turn it off.
Turn it back up.
Hey, man, stop the yelling. Alan, what depth do you think we're at now?
Oh, we're really not that deep into the cave.
See?
can we turn on the lights?
Yep, just that little bit of depth in the ground.
Wait,
and
can I
you're
turn
in
on
the
my
dark.
backup light and my regular light?
Well, of course,
Burn 'em out.
Go
ahead.
Okay, I'll turn on the main.
Well, of course,
I
no,
Is my
I'll
main
just
off?
have my main on.
Is my main
Oh
on?
my god,
No,
there's
no.
Alright.
The
Your
sun is
backup
going.
is-
Volume down a little
I know, I said it was my main on.
Your main is not.
I want my backup off.
No, he said this
On.
is too dim, so I turn this on. That's what Alan said.
How did that taste?
You don't need to stare Harry in the face.
If you
Yeah,
can see
like-
his face, he can't see, remember?
Wait, can you see Harry?
Oh, this is active.
Yeah, you're good now.
I can see
Okay.
his face.
You see that face I was talking about?
Now,
All right,
Don't-
hang on, Mr. Allen's talking, man.
I saw it there. I knew it was there.
DJ, shut up.
we're eventually going to wind up in the next hall, okay? We're, do you still have the map?
Yeah.
I can show you on the map how this works. We want to take a look here. We are in Canopy Hall right here, okay?
That's pretty deep.
So we're going to wind up here in Hanging Rock Hall. We're right here. Now, if you go up here a bit, this is what I call the rabbit hole. That's one way to get over to Hanging Rock Hall. But if you go down here, there's a smaller one. It's called the keyhole. That
Never again.
it's kind of cool because you have to go in and then go up
Oh, no.
to get out of it.
So much fun.
Um,
I'm going.
and then
Have you
once
ever
we get
seen a
over,
rhinoceros give birth? That's what it looks like.
Once we get over to Hanging Rock Hall, you can come out here this way, which is going that direction, and kind of explore this whole Hanging Rock Hall through here once we get over here. Now, if you're going to do the keyhole, okay, let me know, because I want to get on the other side and get a picture of you trying to get out of it. I mean, getting out of it.
Yeah, he says getting out. He changed it from trying to get.
Are we able to go this way around?
Yep, if you really want to. This is easy.
Guys, who wants to do the
That's the way I go.
What's this one, sir?
That's just another passage that goes down there. It dead ends here. But he's working, the owner is working because, let me see, where's the other part? There's this here,
Not down that one.
it doesn't really end there. It's not on the map anywhere, but there's another passage that goes all the way over to here. And he thinks that these two can join together. So he's trying to make them join together. So that eventually, someday, we'll be able to do it as a loop.
Oh, that's cool.
You do have a couple keyhole guys.
Yeah, I guess.
thinking
Oops,
about it.
sorry.
Wait, is the keyhole
I
really
lost
tight?
my-
We're going before right?
Lost my footing there.
Keyhole,
Okay,
keyhole.
who's doing the keyhole?
Me.
I believe me.
No, me first.
Maybe. Wait, can I do rabbit hole too?
Excuse me, keyhole guys, get up with Mr. Allen, please.
Wait,
You're
where's
not a
the?
keyhole guy, let the keyhole guys get value.
No, I'm
Yeah, you
just
get by me.
gonna do rabbit hole.
I'm a keyhole guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
The rabbit hole's a big walking path.
Ready, you do the keyhole. I'm doing
Oh, yeah,
the
I'm
keyhole.
You're doing a keyhole? Okay.
Oh, I see the key now.
Wait, listen up, listen very carefully.
Yes, sir.
You go down here, okay, and you're gonna, shh, listen, you're gonna go down a slope on the left-hand side. You know what an old-fashioned keyhole looks like?
Yeah.
Right at the top and then skinny. There's gonna be that, it's gonna be on the left-hand wall.
Okay.
And that's how you're gonna get to Hanging Rock Hall. Okay?
Okay. Go.
You guys gonna be all right doing this?
Yeah, I got this.
All right, no, don't go up until I tell you to, okay? Because I've got to get on the other side.
To the left.
To the left, yes.
Don't go to the left until you see.
Go on down there. You can go down there, but wait until I yell down that you can go ahead and
Wait,
do
do you
it.
have to go? Do you have to go like directly up, like straight up?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Okay. Then I'm doing rabbit hole.
Yeah, I'm doing rabbit hole. Is that the rabbit hole, sir?
Rabbit hole.
This is rabbit hole.
This is the rabbit hole.
No, it gets bigger once you get inside.
Yeah, that way.